Good early evening, everyone. T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire with the side bet on XLM and Future Digibyte OG. So, guys, I just wanted to go over this real quick before we get into the technical analysis. Got two things. First, I want to start out with XRP, the best digital asset for global payments. Everybody always asks me, so I'm going to start to incorporate this like I've been in the past, but emphasizing the importance of XRP and Ripple and what we have to offer when it comes to liquidity. So, first, what is XRP? XRP is a digital asset built for payments. It is the native digital asset on the XRP ledger, an open source, permissionless, and decentralized blockchain technology that can settle transactions in 3 to 5 seconds. XRP can be sent directly without needing a central intermediary, making it a convenient instrument in bridging two different currencies quickly and efficiency. XRP is used faster, less costly, and more scalable than any other digital asset. XRP and the XRP ledger are used to power innovative technology across the payment space. Ripple is focused on building technology to help unleash new utility for XRP and transform global payments. Third parties are also pursuing other XRP-related use cases. And then RippleNet customers can use XRP for sourcing liquidity and cross-border transactions instead of pre-funding, ensuring instant settlement, lower exchange fees, and more efficient use of working capital. And this is right on Ripple's website, so this is no bullshit. RippleX is Ripple's open developer platform for money. Through RippleX projects, developers leverage XRP and its underlying technology and use cases, from micropayments to e-commerce to exchange and peer-to-peer services. XRP and XRP Ledger are open source technology that anyone can build on. To get started, you can go to xrpl.org. How does the XRP Ledger work? The ledger is maintained by independent participants of a global XRP community, of which Ripple is an active member. Independent validator nodes come to an agreement on the order and validity of XRP transactions. This agreement, called consensus, serves as a final irreversible settlement. The ledger reaches consensus on all outstanding transactions every 3 to 5 seconds, at which point a new ledger is issued. Anyone can be a validator, and active validators on the ledger today include universities, exchange, and financial institutions. There are currently 36 validators, and Ripple runs six of them, which is equal to 16%. So, and then the benefits of XRP payments. Payments moving across the XRP ledger settle in 4 seconds. So here's the comparisons. So Bitcoin, 3,600 plus per second, 60 minutes it takes. Litecoin, 600 plus per second / 10 minutes. Ethereum, 120 plus per second / 2 minutes. XRP, 4 seconds / 0.07 minutes. So, goes real fast. Real fast settlement time compared. Scalable, XRP consistently handles 1,500 transactions per second, 24/7, and can scale to handle the same throughput as Visa. Source 65,000 plus transactions per second as of July 15, 2019. Distributed, run by decentralized network of 150 plus validators globally. XRP's 7-year track record of stable technology and governance makes it ready for institutional and enterprise use. Established in 2012, negligible energy consumption. All ledgers closed without issue since inception. Dedication team of world-class engineers. Eco-friendly, the XRP ledger settles XRP transactions instantly without the energy costs associated with proof of work or mining. XRP metrics, 4.04 settlement speed. Network transaction fee, 0.050,260. Transactions per second, 1,500. And then the payment networks. Here we got all this stuff, but that's just all the nonsense. So I hope that little bit of information helps clarify what XRP is. And now, a little bit of the technicals. Ripple XRP slipped by 0.42% on Thursday following a 5.6% rally on Wednesday. Ripple's XRP ended the day at 85.9. A choppy morning saw XRP fall to a late morning intraday low, 83.2, before making a move steering clear of the first major support level at 81.61. Ripple's XRP rallied to a late morning intraday high of 0.93509. Ripple's XRP broke through the 23.6% fib of 8533 and the first major resistance level at 89.69. Coming up against the second major resistance level at 93.14, however, Ripple XRP fell back through the first major resistance level to end the day in the red. At the time of writing, Ripple's XRP was up by 1.05% to 86.22. A mixed start to the day saw Ripple fall in the early morning lows to 85.6, rising to 87.1. Ripple's XRP left a major support and resistance levels untested early on. For the day ahead, Ripple XRP would need to move through the 87.57 pivot to bring the first major resistance level at 91.86 into play. Support would be needed, however, for Ripple's XRP to break through to 90 cent levels. Barring an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level on Thursday's high 93.509 would likely cap the upside. In the event of a broad-based crypto rally, Ripple XRP could test resistance at $1 levels before any pullback. The second major resistance level sits at 97.80. Failure to move through the 87.57 pivot would bring 23.6% fib of 0.8533 and the first major support level at 81.62 into play. Barring another extended sell-off, however, Ripple XRP should avoid sub 80 cent levels. The second major support level sits at 77.33. Looking at the technical indicators, first major support 81.62, pivot level 87.57, first major resistance 91.86, the 23.6 fib retracement is 85.33, 38.2% fib retracement level $1.06, 62% fib retracement level $1.40. So that's what we're looking at for XRP. For just a little breakdown of the technicals, gave you a little background of XRP and some of the inner workings. Now let's get in the chart on XRP, and then I'm going to let you go after that because we've already covered almost 7 minutes, and I don't want to keep you here forever because then you won't watch forever. Yeah, but if you do, whatever. I think it's beneficial. So make sure to hit that like button and turn that bell notification to all. And if you're considering joining Tom's Army, that helps keep this content free. It gives you exclusive content to the members only section of my Telegram and also the emoji badges that everybody can see how special you are on YouTube. We have 179 active members. So I think we're working on a head and shoulders pattern. And I think what's happening here, we already started creating this. And there's a lot of confluency that's going on here. I think we're going to start to drag out like this. And then we're going to come down here. I think that's what's happening. Because we're starting to build this, and then we'll probably bounce up here, and then we'll have to come back down. So I think we have upper resistance at 88 cents, but I've put down the 85 cents. It's not that I don't think 88 cents is resistance, but we have in the 30-minute time frame 83.9. So we have to use that as the appropriate resistance in the level, because if we can't break back the 30-minute time frame, what does the 88.9 cent resistance mean in this level? It doesn't mean dick. We have underneath support at 75 cents, and if we fall through that, 57 cents. So that's what I'm looking at for XRP. I wanted to make this an informative, jam-packed update so that you guys could get a little bit more information than just a technical analysis. We talked about the fibs, the extensions, and all the other stuff. And we also talked about the inner workings of XRP, the transactions, how it compares to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and some of the other major ones. So it's definitely going to keep you ahead. Bitcoin, it hit its upper resistance when it made that little breakout earlier, 49,993. We talked about how it fell through the 30-minute time frame. And we talked about right here how we have to get past 49,308. We can keep this up here just so you guys can see a reference point. We must get past that to get to the 49,993 resistance, to jump on top of that, to get up to almost, make a move to 53,270, which would be the 4-hour time frame that we have to get up there, or 54,458, my mistake. We have to get up there. Wait a minute, is it higher than that? Yeah, it is higher. It's all the way up at 55,000 where we have to get up to get on the bullish side. So there's a lot of work to be done. But right now in the 30-minute time frame, to break it down into smaller cap, you want to get past 49,308 to push that 49,993 resistance. The 49,308 is extremely important because it's in the 30-minute time frame. It's a 200-day moving average in the daily time frame, or in the 30-minute time frame, and it's in the red. And if you're on the bottom side of that, you have no chance of turning bullish and hitting that 4-hour time frame. It's just that simple. A lot of people say a lot of things; they're all wrong. XDC. We fell through that support at 7137, which we thought we would. We thinking we might come down here to 5.9. Now that we broke through that double bottom, I think it's confirming this, or the triple bottom, I should say, that it would have made. I think this has to come down. First level would be that extension stop at 675, but I think it's coming down to 5.9. Or possibly down to that 4.7 area. I don't really want to label it down here, but it's definitely in play now if we continue to come down. And I know that would be a big drop, but that's a big sideways consolidation. And I think that overextends us past 5.9, but we're going to have to wait and see how this exactly plays out. But you can see how it's starting to down to the bottom side. So our upper resistance right now would be 7.7. But since we got rejected at 7.1, our mid support is 6.75, followed by 5.90. So it could be a long, steady drop for XDC. Pay attention to that. For RMRK, We've got bouncing in between the support resistance levels. We're bouncing on the support of 43.40. And resistance, we have $50.23, but we also have a $48.41, which I'm going to move because we have to get back above the 30-minute time frame, and I don't want to FUD it up. So right now we have 43.40 support, 46.90 resistance, followed by $50.23 upper resistance. If we fall through this long-standing support level, we're going to hit the 38.29 double bottom, and then if this doesn't hold, we go to 32.75, and then that's where it gets interesting. You bust that at the $28 level. Might as well put this down, but it's down here around the 28 level. So that's what we're looking at with our MRK. And then for wait a minute, where the hell's our other one? Yeah, SDN. Sniper. So for SDN, you can see like we were calling for yesterday, but it came down 12.78% because it broke through in the 30-minute time frame. We have our resistance at $2.13 roughly. We can actually stop this choppiness now. $2.10 will take that area out. We'll also take this area out. So now we have $2.10 resistance at the 30-minute time frame in the 200-day moving average. We have $1.92 where it's trying to get support on, but it looks like it's turning it into resistance. And this looks like a bearish continuation pattern in the 30-minute time frame, just like everything else then. So you might get maybe a mild bounce back. But I think you're coming down to $1.72 before you should even attempt to get back in this. But the problem is if we can't hold that, because it depends how long this continuation goes. If you see something like this where it continues out, it's going to come down to here. If it does it pretty quickly, you should come down to here and be able to hold $1.72. So we have underneath support at $1.82, which could be a technical drop point double bottom. $1.58 seems logical. $1.72 could be a hold point. $2.10 overhead resistance. So a quick synopsis real quick for what we were talking about with XRP and Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we have overhead resistance of 48,732, underneath support of 47,118. Bitcoin would have to get over 49,308 in the 30-minute time frame to try to have some kind of bullish narrative to try to push 55,000, which is the 4-hour time frame, 200-day moving average. And then XRP, we have low support down here at 75 cents, upper resistance at 88 cents, but we have a mid-tier resistance at 85, and it's coming down. Like I said, we got to catch up with it. Keeps moving as the day goes on. But right now we've got a 84.8 as our resistance point, and underneath support is 75. If we want to try to have a bullish thesis, we have to break 84.8 because that's the 30-minute time frame, the 200-day moving average. And we'd have to get up past 98.1 because if that's in the 4-hour time frame, we have to break 98.1 and get on top side of that, and then we could try to have some kind of bullish outlook. But as of right now, I think this is very bearish. I think I've given you every reason why in the days and weeks to come. And I think this is just the way it's going to end up going. Hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new or returning.